3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the Highlight Factory. Tonight we're previewing the 2009 Atlanta Hawks campaign. I'm Jonathan Cooper, joined tonight by Andrew Tonj. Andrew, your thoughts on the Hawks' offseason moves to this point?
Take 2.
The only bad thing about the offseason was the Jamal Crawford signing. I just don't like it. He doesn't play defense. I'm not excited about that part. Otherwise,
Ready, camera,
okay.
3. Take 3.
Well, every NBA squad needs leadership, and for the last 2 years, those guys have been Joe Johnson and Al Horford. Johnson has led this team in scoring the last 3 seasons and has been to the All-Star game twice. However, Hawks fans are hoping, wanting even more. As for Al Horford, he's been a beast underneath in his first 2 seasons from the University of Florida. He'll be looking to average a double-double again this season.
Take 3.
Now, it may be unclear if Johnson will ever become a premier NBA player. It is clear the Hawks need this guy healthy and productive. Now to the supporting cast, Andrew. What kind of year do you expect from one Josh
DDR.
Smith?
Take DDR.
I expect Josh Smith to grow up a little bit. I expect him to work on his game, improve it, get to that level of a Carmelo Anthony or a Kobe Bryant. Stop falling in love with the jump shot, take it to the hole strong more, and play better post defense. Otherwise, fine.
Ready, camera, 3.
That will do it for the Highlight Factory. Join us again next time as the Hawks get ready for the season opener later this month.
Ready, Jib.
For Andrew Tonj, Brett Lazansky is our producer. I'm Jonathan Cooper. We'll see you on the hardwood at the Highlight Factory.